How about this one's a little near and dear to my heart. The first one, 1937 Ford 85 Deluxe Cabriolet, orange tricolor over tan and brown. This thing is a spectacular build. Built by some friends of ours. Got a 6.2 liter LS3, 4-speed automatic transmission, no expense spared. I mean, this thing over 500,000 invested. I mean, a lot of that is not recoupable. We get it. We know that, just because
that's not the list price.
That's not the list. It's not the list price. And it was donated by our dear friends to the Christ in Action charity, which is a charity founded in 1982, centered on disaster relief efforts. And they go in and either gut your house if it needs to be, and then rebuild from the frame out and up, or they go in and tear it down and clean it out and make way for, if you've had a tornado or floods or some kind of damage. And then and it's all volunteer. Last year, they demolished and cleared the property for 300 homes. Wow. So it's 300 families that probably wouldn't have been able to rebuild had they not had the help from these guys. And
how is this car related to?
It was donated by the sellers. Okay. The husband passed away just after this build was completed, and the wife, it was hard for her it was their dream car, and they built this thing, to the specs that they wanted, and it was hard for her to it's like walking back in the house. It's just tough. And she decided that it should go to a good cause, and we're just happy that we can help with that.
And the car itself is like Foose level.
Yeah, it's
Boyd Coddington level.
Yeah, it's perfect. It's hard to find fault with it.
It's amazing.
So if you get a chance, check that out.